Was that you were saying? Is that yummy? Yeah?
Let's go, let's take a ride. Let's go light up the night. I got you by my side. We'll survive. It's our world.
Say hello, everybody. Say today I am 8 months old. You're getting so big. You look like such a big girl now, huh? Yeah. Say I am a crawling girl. I love lots of food. I celebrated my first Christmas. So much exciting stuff happened this past month. Yeah. Is that you? Do you see yourself? Yeah. You gonna show everybody how you can crawl? Look at this girl doing the splits. Here, you want me to fix your leg? Okay, there you go. Come get the camera. Come get it. I know you see your rainbow back there. Come get it. Oh, oh. Good job! On the 12th day of Christmas, my true love gave to me a 34-week-old baby. I love how both you and Caspian's weekly days fell on the 12th day of Christmas. Caspian was 40 weeks old on his 12th day of Christmas, and you are 34 weeks old on your 12th day of Christmas. Hooray! I don't think she's even laughing at the bubbles. I think she's laughing at gas being blowing in the little hole. Careful, don't suck in the bubbles. Alright, one more time. Good job. Are you trying to stand? Are you trying to stand? Look at you go. Look at you go. What are you doing? Are you trying to stand up? Yeah, you little show off. So yesterday, or maybe the day before, I don't remember quite when, I think it was yesterday though, Melody managed to pull herself up and peek her little face over her crib, even with her boots and bar on, and she recently started standing in her play yard all by herself by pulling herself up on the edge. So it came time to drop her crib down. It's gonna be so weird having her way down here. Our big girl. She's getting so big. Now that means that when she cries at night, if mommy needs to tend to her, mommy's gonna have to get out of bed because she's gonna be way down here instead of up here. That's okay though. She's gonna be farther away from her little musical friends too. We'll see how she does. Look at her, so cute. I'm trying not to talk very loudly. Look at her, sleeping in her dropped crib. So precious. Little Miss Melody was eating some real food. She's eating little pieces of chicken and some strawberries and some mandarin oranges. Look at that little face. And all you got is those two little teefies. Yeah, you saying hi to everybody? Look at those little feet. Can you clap? You were just clapping. It was so cute.
Hello, bear.
Hello, bear.
Hello.
You're watching Bear in the Big Blue House, huh? Can you clap? Yay! So I can't remember if we vlogged it the other day when you were first eating some of this, but little Missy is eating some little chunks of chicken and some mandarin oranges. She loves these oranges. She keeps going for those over the chicken. Do you want some of this chicken? Is that yummy? Yeah. I know you love food. Are you a food girl? Oh, you're so congested, I know. We can't tell if she's congested because she's teething or if she's not feeling the greatest because the weather can't make up its mind here in Florida, but she's in pretty high spirits for somebody who's congested. Was that you were saying? Is that yummy? Yeah? Yeah? You're so cute. You want to see yourself? Huh. There you are. Is that you? Who's that in the camera? Who's that in the camera? It's Melody. Melody. So that brings us to the end of Miss Melody's 8-month vlog. We don't have a ton of home vlog footage because, as I'm sure you've seen on our channel, we made many visits to Disney during her 8 months. But she has been crawling like crazy. She loves so much food. She's been going and transitioning from eating baby food to regular food, and she definitely eats way more variety of food that Caspian does. But she's just getting so big, and I just can't stand how big she's getting, and how before we know it she's gonna be a year old. Oh my gosh. But that is all for this vlog. I know it was super duper short, but as always, I thank you guys so much for watching, and we will see you next time. Bye.